Matter and Energy and Ecosystems Unit, Lesson 4.3, Writing a Scientific Argument. Activity 2, Using the Reasoning Tool. Let's discuss the class poll from our warm-up. Which argument do you think is more convincing, and why? In the last lesson, you discussed the claims and evidence about why deforestation adds carbon dioxide to the air. Some of you may have changed your thinking during the science seminar. Today, you'll develop your own written argument that answers this question for the farmers. The farmers know that the carbon dioxide in the air increased, but they need you to help them understand why so they can do what it takes to reduce the amount of carbon dioxide in the future. Scientific argument. Convincing arguments include claims, evidence, and statements that make the reasoning process clear by showing how the evidence supports the claim. When making an argument, you are trying to explain your thinking in a way that convinces someone else that it is the best possible argument. This practice is called reasoning. Your argument for the farmers needs to include reasoning in order to help them understand this problem. You will use the reasoning tool to help you clearly explain your thinking and connect a scientific claim to evidence. You used a digital version of the reasoning tool in Chapter 1 of this unit. Today, you'll be using a paper version of this tool. Review and discuss your annotated evidence cards. You're getting ready to choose a claim and should be thinking about which pieces of evidence you will use to argue for that claim. Using the reasoning tool. Choose one of the two claims or create a claim of your own. Write the claim in the right-hand column of your reasoning tool. Students, write the claim you selected in the right-hand column. Choose at least two pieces of evidence to support your claim. Attach these cards to the left-hand column of your reasoning tool. If you want to use all 4 of the evidence cards, you will need to use the reverse side of the reasoning tool sheet. In a moment, you will write how each piece of evidence in the left-hand column supports your claim. You can also write about connections between cards in this column. Complete your reasoning tool. End of activity.